D to the I to the N E O. Dineo.
Hello everyone, my name is Dineo and thank you for tuning in. Today's tutorial is how to achieve faux bangs and a high bun on short, medium, 4C natural hair. So, if you're interested to know how to achieve this, keep on watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Ciao! You'll need rollers, detangling brush, ribbon, Marley hair and a detangler. Start off by cutting the ends of the Marley hair. Then finger detangle the ends. Take your detangler and apply it onto your Marley hair. Then comb the hair. Continue to detangle until satisfied. Take your ribbon and place it under your Marley hair. Loop the ribbon to create a knot. Now begin to roll the Marley hair. I would have preferred to use bigger rollers, but unfortunately I only had these small ones. Continue this rolling process until done. After rolling the hair, put it in hot water for about 5 minutes. Then pat dry the hair on a towel. You'll need Marley hair, brush, bobby pins, ribbons, scissors, eco-styler gel, and some string. For this high bun, I'm working on stretched hair. Take some eco-styler gel and apply it around the perimeter of your head. Then take your brush and work the product into your hair. Want a similar look to this one? Well, check out my how-to high bun tutorial. Link is on the top right-hand corner. Take your string and use it to gather up your hair. Then tie that hair with your ribbon. I will definitely start applying eco-styler gel on stretched hair. It definitely looks so much better that way. Also, can we please just give a shout out to my hair? The growth is amazing. Wrap your hair with a headscarf so that it can properly set. Okay, young bun, we see you. It's a day later and my faux bang is completely dry. Now I'm removing the rollers. Handle with care. Do not ruin the definition. Rollers come in so many different varieties, so I'm definitely going to stock up on some more. Okay, this is how your faux bang should more or less look like. Now, tie the faux bang onto your head. Then, lightly separate some curls for more volume. Not too much, otherwise you'll create some frizz. Take your ribbon and place it under your Marley hair. Then loop the ribbon to create a knot. Tie the Marley hair onto your head. Grab 2 Marley hair strands at a time to create a bun. Continue this process until you're done. Secure the bun with some bobby pins. Take some bobby pins and also secure the faux bang. Fluff out the bang until you reach a desired look and feel. And there you have it. how to achieve faux bangs and a high bun on short, medium, 4C natural hair.
Goodness, everyone, like how cute is this look? No, don't sleep on this hairstyle here, honestly. Quick, simple, easy, inexpensive.
Thank you so much for watching. Are you subscribed yet? If not, support your girl and do best. Lastly, don't forget to like, comment and share. Ciao!